they closed off the casual pool at the airport. So yeah, I had to source employment out there. So I applied and I did get through. Hi, my name is Alicia and I am working here. So just relaxing, chilling. I used to work at the International Airport. Yeah, I was cleaning there. I was yeah, just a month now. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's quiet. And the students, they are good. I would say I'm quiet. I like to read. I like sports, especially cricket. So I keep myself occupied, doing them thing on my spare time. At home, I spend most of my time with my parrot. He would know when you're going out, so he will tell you bye, love you. He would call you when you're not in front of him. He's well talk, he's sing happy birthday, but sing other songs you wouldn't even understand it. But he's really, really nice. He's a very nice, loving. I love birds.